I was just talking about how to create a plan, how to reach your goals. You need goals along the way to reach your end goal. But I also talked about who you need to become to get where you want to go. Who do I need to become to get where I want to go? That is so crucial and so important. What is your values? It's often said within the music industry, kind of as a recommendation to other artists, that don't forget who you are. You don't betray yourself, and stay true to yourself. So this is so important in whatever you do. So your core values, you need to decide about who you are, what is negotiable, and what is not. So you have that clear in your mind, because you don't want to reach your end goal miserable, right? And have betraying yourself. So this is really important with your values. Something is also that is really good is to have kind of another person that you kind of step into, a professional person, the professional you, or who you are for this assignment, who you need to be. There is also something that is quite common within the music industry. It's a way to kind of not beat up yourself if you don't succeed, because there are no guarantees, right? So if you step into some other person that will help you with the skills that you really need, then you kind of step into that person's shoes, like a flick of the switch. You enter a stage, you kind of, okay, now I'm this person. And it's a really good idea, since you can't go around being a diva every day. People will not stand you if that is your role, whatever. If you're a character in a movie or something, you really have to step into that role to deliver what you are supposed to deliver, right? But it could, if you have fear, if you're doubting yourself, you can have some other people as role models, and you can kind of pick your own character with different personality traits that is needed to reach your long-term goal, and it will help you when it's ups and downs, and you will also know, okay, I have a bad day, but I can step into this person because I need to. I have some obligations I need to really follow through, and this will kind of help you not to listen too much to your own feelings, and to always have to be in the right mood to do things. So if you have kind of a character professional, like you do, you have to go to your job, for instance, and you have to have a professional attitude with you. So it's kind of creating your attitude, having role models, and perhaps you have some kind of different characters that you pick their character traits, and you can create your own kind of an avatar to who you are for this mission. Who do I need to become to get where I want to go? So, and you need to be persistent, you have to have momentum, you have to all those things that is so common within the coaching industry. I really want to encourage you to check out my websites. I do coaching sessions. I both have pre-recorded options, but also tailor-made one-on-one coaching sessions with me online. So check out my websites. Bye.